A Superior Court judge issued a temporary protective order, and in that temporary protective order includes the sheriff's office going and taking any weapons that are in the home. It's not uncommon to have to do that, whether it be a deer rifle or whatever. It doesn't mean it's illegal to be in possession of the weapon. It just means that we have to get those out while that order's in place. It's commonly referred to as a restraining order. So deputies went to a residence on Talking Rock Highway to do just that very thing. They spoke with the homeowner. The homeowner complied, had no problems. They went into the residence, and once they got into an area where the weapons were supposed to be, according to the homeowner, they discovered what is an industrial type explosive. It's similar to a blasting cap or a plastic explosive that would be used in blasting of rocks or several other things. That deputy then contacted other investigators. They had additional agents come out to help in that search because they realized that these type items were something that we weren't really equipped to safely remove or dispose of, or to understand, you know, quite the severity of what might be there. So as part of that, when they contacted the GBI, Georgia Bureau of Investigations, agents came over to assist in the search, and they contacted the Northwest Regional Bomb Squad, and in that is made up with Floyd County Police agent and Federal Bureau of Investigations and FBI agent that's a bomb technician as well. They responded and were able to go into the home and safely remove those items from the home without having to detonate them because they weren't fully assembled at the time that they were located. While completing the search, they were able to remove 6 different weapons from the home, which was the original intent for going to the resident. Those included a shotgun, rifles, and there was a loaded handgun as well that they were able to remove. After removing those items, they continued to look and make sure they had all of them that were there, and they discovered a quantity of methamphetamines as well. The homeowner, which is Mr. Steve Burgess, has been arrested for the possession of the methamphetamines. At this time, they're continuing to actively investigate as to how he came into possession of the types of explosives, what any intent may have been for why he had those explosives. So there's no formal charges have been taken for the weapons or for the explosive devices. At this time, they are completing interviews and completing some more detailed information before making that decision as to what those charges may be. But he is being charged with a felony possession of methamphetamines. The home was cleared. All the items were safely removed. A bomb dog actually went through the residence, and he alerted to a couple of the weapons and was able to alert. So he was a very good bomb dog that was able to detect that. And those items were removed. They were able to leave the home secured there as they carried him to transport him to be interviewed, you know, in more detail. So that's the basics of kind of what the morning consisted of, or up into the afternoon.